Matias brand LM530 gantry reciprocating car washing machine. This car washing machine is a 5-brush configuration. Equipped with brush is our latest fiber brush. It is not easy to stain the car body, cleaning down the dust and sand. It has self-cleaning effect, not easy to damage the paint on our car. At the same time, it has side brush on both sides. When our vehicle enters, it has a positioning that automatically finds the position of the head. The top brush has a function of copying cleaning to achieve an even cleaning effect. When our brush cleaning is complete, our machine is equipped with a copy air drying system, an imitation air drying on the top, and a blade-shaped air duct opening on the side. In this way, it can carry out a even 90 degrees air duct air drying on our car body, so as to realize our even air drying. In terms of safety, we are equipped with an AGV anti-collision protection system, vehicle self-test system, and intelligent parking guidance system. Our machine not only focuses on safety, but also takes into account more efficient and intelligent car washing technology. If you want to know more about the details of this car washing machine, can contact us in the comments section.